This is a project we're incredibly proud to be part of, the National Medal of Honor Museum, located just across the street from AT&T Stadium, home of the Dallas Cowboys. The Jones family led the charge, raising most of the funding to build this memorial honoring our nation's war veterans. For this massive 39,000 square foot project, the choice was simple: diamond thin metallic, a solution built for both performance and beauty. After shot blasting and grinding the floors, we then vacuumed to create a clean, bondable surface. Next, we applied our unlimited moisture-tolerant primer, Diamond VRS. Even on a second floor, concrete can still present moisture challenges, so this step is critical. We smoothed edges on electrical boxes, patched every hairline crack, and completed all repairs after the moisture-tolerant primer cured. A crucial step in creating a resinous floor built to last. Once the prep is complete and the material has fully cured, the floor received 2 coats of polyaspartic urethane with metallic additive. This delivers the gorgeous appearance the museum envisioned. We finished the floor with a coat of EcoTop WB, a water-based satin urethane, with outstanding abrasion resistance. The result: a durable, aesthetically beautiful floor that stands as a lasting tribute to America's heroes.